Hello friends, my name is Sumit Thakur, and after a long time, I am studying MBA, and I had a master in hotel management and catering technology, and I'm revising today the topics of MBA, and the topic here is given is management concepts and applications, planning and decision making. The planning I had written down it is that what you want to do and how you want to do, which one are you going to choose. These are the three main things of the management concept and applications of the planning and decision department. And then this is also a very integral part of the kitchen or any organization. Like when you in the kitchen, if you have to do the planning, or in any restaurant, we will write what you want to do in the restaurant and how the menu. Basically, the menu is a description of the stuff and how you want to do are the job specification and job description, all this stuff, and which one are you going to choose. I don't remember reading it. uh, I think my book is completed. I'm going to be done. Okay. And the next I in my notes there is about a description in the book, like it is better to take a notebook to decrease frustration if you are studying some difficult subjects, difficult topics. And in the MBA, and there is profit and loss account of sole proprietors and name for the accounting period ending date. And I'm doing this stuff for the art of public speaking. So the remember that when you are doing an MBA, you have to go through these stuffs like called profit and loss accounting. General, I'm going to study in depth all these stuffs. These are not so entertaining, but you have to read it. There are incomes and expenses, net profit or losses. There are operating expenses, rents, utilities, salaries, wages, etc. There are amount describe particular sales of goods and subsidiary revenue. There is a debit side and the credit side. As per the notes I have made, is the debit is in left and credit is on the right. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. This is something I have read and I think I remember something. Uh, okay. Accounting is part of the kitchen life and the hotel hospitality industry. Every big wealthy and or every minimalistic kitchen or restaurant is having these stuffs. The accounting in their language, which simply means the numbers are there. Accounting is simply a business mathematics, as per me, by my philosophy. And if you are watching this video, thank you. If you are reaching this point, please like and subscribe. And there are liabilities and are on the left side, debit side, and the assets are on the credit sides. In the liabilities, there are different types of liabilities. I have written in my notes. Current liabilities, account payable, short-term loans, accrued expenses, taxes payable. On the asset side, there is current assets, cash, accounts receivable, inventory, and prepaid expenses. I never did. I can when I was doing my business and all my learning my culinary arts, I never wrote it in this direction, but it simply depicts that person with different net value describes the accounts in different means. And चलते चलते and there is owner's equity remaining stage, what do we say, the remaining stake, initial investment, owner equity gone to recover company's losses. There are something called like that. Assets of company is liabilities plus owner's equity. I'm just repeating my the notes I have made from the MBA, and this is to remind that it is my practice, and I'm also doing the practice of acting. I have bought a book. It is my simply a means of acting on the camera. I have to speak whatever I want for the time period I am doing thing. And it is very necessary to face the camera every day. The balance sheet is like a picture. Profit and loss account, the balance sheet, and the trading account, the three basic financial accounts, financial statements, adjustment entries, impact of these are essential. And after a few days, I can revisit this video and know more about my things.